I will now demonstrate how you can check price within Kleopatra. She has a very sharp Horus eye which enables her safe travels on the volatile sea of crypto market. With it, she overlooks different crypto exchanges and supported trading pairs. She can check price for you in a blink of a Horus eye. Very important thing about checking the price is that you need to have your trading pair pinned first. Afterwards you can check the price. The quickest way to do that is to use the button in home menu. You will simply click the home button in quick menu and then check price in home menu. Let's try it. Here you can see different information regarding the pinned trading pair. Ask and bid price, trend, graph and an option to check prices on other exchanges. I'll go into it in more detail, but let me just show the other ways to check the price. When you will be using chatbot frequently, it will be useful to you. As mentioned before, to check the price, you need to have the trading pair pinned, meaning selected to work with. Let's look into what we can do with the chat commands for checking the price. There are 2 steps involved if you want to check the price with using the commands in the messages. You will be able to click on the command display inside the other messages. One, for example, is available when you pin your trading pair. Let me just swiftly pin the trading pair with entering the pin command into the chat box. Now you have the display command inside the message and you can simply click it. You can enter it directly into the chat box as well. Let's rather click it. It's a bit faster after all. If you had your trading pair already pinned, you can just enter display command into the chat box and have access to the information on the trading pair right away. Let's try it. As you can see, both paths drive the same result. In the message you can now see, there are many possible actions available. One of them is price that we are interested in checking right now. Let's click on it. You can also type in the command price. Let's try that also. In this message you can see the current ask and bid market price on the selected exchange. Both prices are accompanied by buy and sell command, so you can set buy or sell orders instantly. Have I mentioned that Kleopatra loves it fast? Remember, if you have your exchange already pinned you don't need to search and pin it. You just open Kleopatra on Telegram and type in the command for the price. Let me show you. So, we have our parent exchange already pinned. I'll just jump back on home so we have a clean slate. Now I'll type in the command for the price. Here we can see the price of the pinned trading pair again. That works even if we have pinned it in the previous session. So, remember, once you pin the selection, it stays pinned until you set another pin, so your favorite pairs will be accessible right away. That's how fast Kleopatra is checking the price and trend of selected crypto coins. Neat, right? On the third line in this same message, just under current market ask and bid price, there is an information about short-term trend for that pair on the selected exchange, in our case it is Binance. You can see the percentage of positive or negative change in the last 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame. That way you have the short-term trend quickly accessible. This is especially convenient for scalp and day traders. To make things more interesting, you can quickly check the price for that pair on the other exchanges. You can click the command /price, BTC, USDT to check the other prices. It is listed in the next line, just under the short-term trend information. Or, you can just type it in. Here you can now see the different exchanges and information about the price of the trading pair, and as well the information about the volume and spread for each of them. That's how easy and fast it is to check the price of any trading pair on specific exchange or multiple exchanges simultaneously. That's all with checking the price and trend for now. Scan QR code now to join Kleopatra.